raid Osama bin Laden's compound in Pakistan. The raid could not have succeeded without close collaboration between the Central Intelligence Agency, CIA, and the U.S. military. There has traditionally been little interaction between the nation's intelligence officers and its military officers, but the war on terrorism has changed that mindset. During planning for the bin Laden mission, military officers spent every day for months working closely with the CIA team in a remote, secure facility on the CIA campus. This is the kind of thing that, in the past, people who watched movies thought was possible, but no one in the government thought was possible, one official later said of the collaborative mission. Collaboration and coordination within business organizations is just as important. Without coordination, a company's left hand will not act in concert with the right, causing problems and conflicts. Coordination is required regardless of whether the organization has a functional,